Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Let's take a look on a BTC, just a BTC USDT trading pair with my customer set. Why everything's so predictable and it's kind of boring, So the few moments what you have to understand. First of all, this is not a geopolitical channel, but time to time I share some thoughts about it. And everything was so predictable because when the Russian invaded the Ukraine in 2022, I made a lot of posts about upcoming world events, and even in 2022, in 2023, I post a lot in chat, but after that, I closed that chat, but you still can find the post. So here, one of these posts, I post sometimes at the screens in Twitter. So here, October 2023, everything, what it started in February 2022, and when the market goes down, all markets goes down. We talk not about a crypto. It was the main target, the Iran. So after the 3 years, we see that United States finally made a decision, attack Iran. So guys, it's everything so predictable because a lot of people want to believe in all of this conspiracy theory, but when that one conspiracy theory become real, we need another one. We need another one. We need another one. And the people laughing on that conspiracy theories, right? But when all of them become our reality, people surprised, like, wow, how would it even possible? Because it's so predictable. It's so predictable because everything in the world is so controlled. Even this BTC Orange fancy token is totally 100% controlled. And I don't want to post the big conspiracy videos, or my thoughts about it. Maybe time to time I will share some thought, but I understand that people don't like it, don't like to hear, because the people love to feel like they can control the market, they can control everything what's going on in the world, And when you give some other thought, the people say, no, it's yes, right? What are you talking about? So now, what we can see on charts. Let's talk about the charts. About geopolitics, guys, in the recent videos, I told you, just wait. The Monday New York session open market, how the market reacts, because now it's so predictable. They attack on a weekend, not on Wednesday, not on Tuesday. They attack on a weekend because there's a lot of insiders who trade the gold, the stocks, the BTC, everything around. And this is a pure insider trading. And you will see the market reaction, and you can be sure. Just maybe dozens, maybe not hundreds, but dozens people, billionaires, made billions again, just because they knew it before. All right. So let's talk about a BTC. This zone I mark, it's still relevant. So around here I post, I don't remember when I posted the last video about a BTC, but here we sweep it this low, rebounds, we could drop again to this block. And honestly, I wish to see the 50, I don't know, 59, 58, 80, 800. So this is going to be the best zone for reversal move, some reversal move. Every single time there's some conflict, the new war, it's not always the dump, because if on the weekend we dump it now, and it's going to be the best option, Monday, New York session, maybe Wednesday, we will see some rebound, because the news and everything what's going on around already priced it in. So I wish to see the buy line on a BTC now on the daily time frame, BTC USD on a Bitstamp global chart on the daily, it's 55,723. This is what I would like to see. Weekly time frame, we already retested the buy line. If we go lower, so it's going to be that 50% of this range. And it's a sweep of liquidity pool of August 2024. Should we drop now to 49,426? Hard to say, everything depends of the Iran response. So pretty simple. Do I believe so we will rebound? Yes. So I don't think so. Now we crash it down to this one, like to 40K. Everybody fill their bags and right to the new cycle. Cycles not even exist. once again. So just wait, no rush, because you know what's the problem? Even if you want to buy now, if you want to buy on the spot, of course you can buy, accumulate whatever you want. So here it's tests at 12%, so 13%, so 26 with the second leverage. It's not a good risk ratio, right? So that'll wait at least here or here. And for example, here you can add the stop loss like let's say 10, even the 10 to 50K from 55, 56, for example, here 55, 800, and the right to take profit line. So 20 against 200. Pretty good futures trade. Altcoins I'm not touching, like you remember. Even on this dump, I don't want to touch, and I don't want to cut the knives because I'm tired of this spot positions, you know. So I'm just wait. I'm in some futures position now on algo step by step. So 2 limited orders already fill it. I hope I will not get a stop loss, and maybe I will share the results with you. Maybe I get a stop loss. Who knows? Who knows? ADZ direction, guys. What we can see here? This is some type of accumulation on the daily. Some news? No. No news. The people talk about Axiom. It's just a BS, total BS, because the super investigation against some meme coins platform. It's cool, of course. It's the nice investigation, right? But people react like, wow, some guys made insider trading in meme coins. So when the big guys and all politics open insider trading because they knew about a potential airstrike of another country, it's okay. So nobody talk about that investigations. But when some devs, some guys from the team trade like insiders on the meme coins platform, it's something special. Come on. So ADZ in accumulation, weekly time frame. This is also I showed you before. We already retested the buy line, so we can close the last one here. Now this is the biggest accumulation. The biggie one was only here in June, I guess, 2022. June 2022. On the trade on, guys, we sold the money back. So I'm gonna add alert now, or it's already added. Strong sell signal, and it was the added on daily, I guess. On the weekly, triangle down. So let's add alerts to buy, triangle up and the buy. Here, trade on and the buy on the 1 week time frame. So I waited that signal. I already showed you though 3 times in history we sold that signal money back. So we need to close all short position, right? And wait the reversal move. So for me personally, everything looks more bullish than bearish. You know, only one thing what I don't like, you know, it's how they use the people lives, because when some conflicts start, you know, the war start, the civil people die just because they need something. I mean the elites. And that's a problem. So money power, no money inflow, weekly here. How it even possible? So, you know, while everybody in fear, the whales accumulate step by step. Since beginning of the February, full February, they accumulated. Monthly, we dump it on the middle line. So the last time we've been here in April 2022, May here, April 2022. So now with the level of around here. So we are now at the same level on the money power indicator like it was at the bottom of 26K in May 2022. What happened next? You remember. It was a summer. After that, it's a FTX collapse. So now I wish to see the reversal move to the top again, and it can be rebound, I don't know, to this green block. So like conclusion, guys, now better enjoy your weekend. Just add some alerts like I did in this video and just wait. Do nothing. On New York session on the Monday, we will see the main next direction for the BTC. This is a capitulation on the daily. On the weekly, guys, I repeat again, we are in the capitulation since January 26th. Last time I would play out, you can see here, we can go in the chop move, by end of the zone 26. It's a worst case scenario, slowly but surely go into the 50K to 49, for example. Pull summer, right? And repeat these bars, right? Or we can rebound now. Monthly time frame, this is a still like an optimism. So let's add alert to the money power indicator also, like disbelief. So I wish to see the disbelief. It's going to be the best option and the best time to buy. So guys, no rush. Just wait the targets, potential futures trade I showed you. Buy for the spots. Now no makes sense, I guess. Best buy signals for the spot, I guess, will be around under 45K. If you'd like to trade as my customer could say I would show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.